Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make isotonic water in Subnautica 2. Flash slugs can be found in the regions beyond the trench, so we'll need to head there first before we can start making isotonic water. Begin at the alien ruins and make your way toward the large purple roots that serve as a path leading down to the Angel Comb biome. These routes are the main landmarks you'll want to follow throughout the journey. As you descend to depths of around 300 meters, keep an eye on the areas surrounding the routes. This is where flash slugs are commonly found drifting through the water. You'll know you've located the correct creature when getting too close causes a bright flash that can temporarily blind you. Before picking one up, be sure to scan it first so its entry is added to your PDA databank. Once you've collected a flash slug, return to your base and access the fabricator. You'll now be able to craft isotonic water. Unlike standard filtered water, which restores 40 hydration, isotonic water restores 55 hydration and is made using a flash slug along with salt. Because it provides significantly more water per use, isotonic water is a much better choice for extended expeditions where access to resources may be limited. And that's everything you need to know about making isotonic water in Subnautica 2.